First, I prepare the asparagus. This is organic asparagus. Cut off the bottom and cut them into pieces. Boil the asparagus in hot water about 15 minutes or so until they get very soft. The boiled water becomes slightly green and it actually tastes good. It's a vegetable broth made by asparagus. So save some without just draining them all. Next is Russell potatoes. I'm gonna cook them. I think the Russell potatoes go well with asparagus more than gold potatoes or red potatoes because Russell potatoes has a little bit less flavor. Boil the potatoes until they get very soft and the surface of the potato become a little bit fluffy, as you can see. About 15 to 20 minutes. Put both the potatoes and asparagus into the mixer, a blender. The ratio is asparagus 1, potato 4 or 5. Make sure to add a little bit of water, boiled water from asparagus or the potatoes, so it can blend easily. This is the outcome after adding about 5 tablespoons of boiled water when I cooked the asparagus. It's pretty soupy. And this is the outcome when I added just a little bit of water. It has a consistency of soft ice cream, like this. And both versions are very easy to digest. I sometimes add a cooked egg yolks mixed with this. Either way, it tastes good.